Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Why you need a jump starter kit in your car. Imagine driving someone you've been dreaming of going on a date with for the longest time, then suddenly your car stops and it won't start. What a bummer, right? You see, you'll never know when you'll be hit with car trouble, so it's always better if you have the necessary tools with you in the car. And one of the tools that you should always have is a jump starter. Jump starters will help bring power back to your car. They're very easy to use since you can do it by yourself. Gone are the days when you had to phone a friend to help you with it. Moreover, it's usually portable so you can bring it anywhere. What great value for money, right? If you're already planning to get one over the next few days, then we highly recommend this newly arrived Sparco Jump Starter 15,000 mAh. Available at Blade outlets for only PHP 6,999. It's special since it has an overcharge and overdischarge protection, fuse protection, and an against reverse plug. Better safe than sorry. Make sure to have this readily available in your car. Head out now to Blade Auto Center or shop online at blade.ph. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.